Sean Diddy Combs is accused of orchestrating days-long sex performances, which were allegedly recorded, involving people allegedly coerced into participating through drugs and intimidation. However, legal experts say the defense will argue that while Combs's conduct may be perceived as deviant, they were not illegal.
The defense is going to argue that this is a clash of cultures, that the sexual activities of Sean Combs, of Diddy, were out of the norm, but very much within the realm of what is permitted in our now very permissive society. And they're going to emphasize, from the defense point of view, that if he were a white man, they would not have looked at his conduct in a criminal sense.
Sean Diddy Combs' legal team is expected to argue that he's not guilty of federal sex crimes because, in his mind, he was simply engaging in sexual swinging.
The only chance the prosecution has of convicting him is to show that he went over the line, not sexually, and not in terms of what his party or partying involved, but that he used actual physical violence or real credible threats of violence or huge threats of public embarrassment to the point that people were truly intimidated into engaging in conduct that they would not have engaged in otherwise. And that's a tough barrier for this prosecution to overcome.
The defense may also argue that racial motivation was a factor.
When Diddy does it, a famous, wealthy black man, all of a sudden, the conduct that we see in porn movie theaters, we see on HBO television programs that children can watch, are suddenly criminalized because he's proud about what he's doing, open about it, and it's out of the norm of everyday people. That's their defense.